Hello everyone, you are welcome back to this channel, and there is something I want to show you in this video you are about to watch. It's a serious pitfall I don't want you to encounter in the exam hall while doing linear and quadratic graphs. I discovered this thing and I wouldn't wish you to have that kind of experience right inside the exam hall because of one mistake. So I need you to watch this video. If you watch what is going on here in this discussion I'm going to show you, you will think that everything is fine as I'll be doing the graph until you get down to where you're about to use the table to read the values. You encounter a very serious problem I discovered, and I want you to look at it so that you prepare yourself not to make that mistake. It's a very serious mistake that can throw you off balance inside the exam hall. Thank you as you watch that video. 4x plus 5, and here we can write y equals to 3x squared plus x then minus 7. Okay, you can write that on that point. So now we have our graph. I am sure that every explanation, every point, everything I do here is well understood. All right. Let me bring this in closer so that you can see clearly. Oh, are you seeing it clearly? Wow. Are you seeing it clearly? Are you seeing the point where the curve crossed the x-axis? I think you can see that. Okay, so let's take the sub questions now. If you look at these sub questions, the first one here says, using your graph, determine the solution of 3x squared plus x minus 7 equals to 0. What does that mean? So it's just simply asking you, this is a quadratic equation that when you solve this problem, you get the values of x. Okay, so there are 4 ways of solving quadratic equation: factorization, use of formula, completing the square method, and finally this one, which is graphical method. Now in graphical method, if you do the graph, the values of x lies at this point where this curve passes through the x-axis. You can find out here. Look at it. Oh, it's very, very clear. Look at it, that point. It passes through the x-axis here, and wow, somewhere here, almost in the middle of that. So can we read what is here? Now here is our origin. Look at our origin here, and this is minus 1. So, and there are 10 blocks inside this place. It then means one tiny block now, by explanation, one tiny block here now is 0.1. Look at it. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. Oh, this should be point. How many? How many are there? 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.2. Is this thing complete? Let me check. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. Oh my god, this is supposed to be. Let me check this one. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. Oh my goodness, this graph has issue. This graph is not complete. It has an issue. Oh my goodness. What the hell is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh my god. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It's supposed to be the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One line is short in here. Bullshit. This is bullshit. It's printer's error. Oh my god. Please. Oh my God. What this thing is going to give us is supposed to be, what this thing is supposed to give us is, this place is, as this place is minus 1, hmm? This will be, we are trying to read the point where this curve now crosses this x-axis. Okay. If this printing is complete, these blocks here supposed to be 10 in number. They're supposed to be 10, so that at least from here to here will be, this will be point 0.9, then 1, minus 1, minus 1.1, minus 1.2, minus 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6. You see that point now where this thing passes through? That is the sixth point after this. So this is minus 1, okay, minus 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, and minus 1.6, minus 1.6. This place is supposed to be, this point where it passes is supposed to be minus 1.6. And then on the other side, we will now have, on the other side we have here, this is the origin, this is 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and half. So that half now we are going to, so the problem is this: I am the person that bought these two graphs, this one, and use it to make this. In fact, I was using this thing to do a video. I have spent almost 45 minutes doing all these explanations, did this graph, and then came to the point when I'm about to, take this reading, and then discovered a serious problem here. Let's count these tiny blocks and check how many it is with me. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see there are 8 in number. There are 8 in number. That's to say that if I graduate here to here to be 1 unit on x-axis, 1 unit, and if from here to here is 1 unit, these blocks, that is for 2 cm, these blocks supposed to be 9, the thick one making it 10, so that I can say 0.1, that is 10 now, sharing 1 unit. You will now be able to get one tiny block here to be 0.1. So here will be 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 before this one that will make it 10. Then you call here minus 1. I encounter this, and when you now want to use this type of graph to read maybe this intersection here, you will have a very serious problem, because this thing is 8, not it's not complete. The tiny blocks here are supposed to be 9, then the thick one making it 10. Now let me show you the same thing. Then I have to dump, I am in the middle of my discussion and discover this, and I have to go and buy this second one again. Let's count this one now. The other one we counted it to be 8. Oh yeah, let's count this one. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see it is 9. So that if I give this to be 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, then you see that this is 1. That is to say this one is accurate. Do you get? This is accurate. Unlike what I encountered in this type of graph. So my brothers and my sisters, what am I trying to advise you? That anytime you go to any shop and you want to buy this graph, just quickly stay there and count these things, because if you don't count it to know whether they are complete, because this thing is supposed to give you 10 tiny blocks, that is making it, whether you are reading it every 2 cm, 5 minutes, every 2 cm, 2 units, every 2 cm, 1 unit, so that the 2 cm should comprise of 10 tiny blocks. 10 tiny blocks. So if here is your origin, here will be 0. You now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then do you see 1 now? But try and do it here and see what will happen. Let's see. Here's my origin in this graph. Here is my origin. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see the thick black, the thick line. So what confusion is this now? If you encounter this type of thing inside the exam hall, my brother, what are you going to do? Is it you now in the middle of the discussion, you now face what? Eh? So what are you going to do? So this is the reason why I say anytime you go to make purchases, please make sure that you count these things there before you take it out. Because I wouldn't like you to face that pitfall in the exam hall. Do we get that? I wouldn't like you to go to the exam hall and begin to discover that this graph has issue. You'll be totally stranded in that exam hall, or you get confused how to take that reading. Thank you so much. I believe that is of great help to you. I remain Victor Odigoma Ohe. Thank you.